I'm going to go over how to fix a sun visor in a '06 Dodge. I think it's the same in most. Really expensive from the dealer, but I'm going to go over a possible fix. Okay, this is a 2006 Dodge 2500 diesel. It's been a fantastic work truck. I do tree work in it. Really love this truck. I bought it new in '06. This visor just kind of hangs down sloppily like this and doesn't stay up. Before I decided to figure it out, I looked on YouTube first and couldn't find anything. That's why I thought I'd make this video on how to fix it. I called the dealer. It's over $100 part, which seems kind of crazy because it's just a teeny little piece of plastic in there. And so I thought I'd take it apart and see if we could fix it. So let's do that. It's a T20 screws in there, so it's a T20 Torx screw in there. It's just 3 screws right here. I'll take the other 3 out and we'll go in the garage and take it apart and see what we have. Okay, so here's the visor. There's that. You can see all the plastic inside broke. Curious to see if I could repair it without destroying it. I think that plastic just failed, and that piece right there needs to get removed. If we get in there. A lot of sawdust in there. Oh, there it is. There's that bar. This piece actually did not fail. That plastic piece right there. That plastic piece right there slides under there like that, and then it works fine. So actually there was no fail in any of that. What actually failed was that it slipped out this way, and then through turning it, it broke the housing. If it slips out of that plastic tab, then you go to turn it, you're going to break the housing that it's in. So my goal is preventing this thing from sliding out of that tab. So I think I'm going to put a little wood screw right through there. That thing works fine now. So that thing works. So I feel like that thing's pretty well secured. Bring this piece of plastic back down. Again, it wouldn't really have broken if that plastic tab hadn't come out. Alright, so I got that plastic taped down. So I get this stuff cleaned up. thing works. I mean, that thing works the way it's supposed to. Oh, I got an idea rather than sew this. So there it is, all taped back together. And you can see it actually works. It's nice and the piece is held in there. I guess it goes like this in the truck. So it holds nice like that. No problem at all. Alright, then I went upstairs and got one of my kids' old shirts. They probably won't even know. Cut one of these sleeves off. Cut this sleeve off. I was looking for a beige shirt. That would have been better. Just curious to see if this is going to work. Beige shirt probably look a little better. Let's see if this is going to work. Might need to get a bigger shirt. So there's a sleeve on there. That actually seems to work pretty well. I want a reflective material. Even better than a South Park sleeve, I could just take one of my tree services shirts and put that over there. The sun visor, let's see, sits up in the truck like that, so when you put it down, your visor's down, out the front window it could say, you know, whatever tree service. It actually kind of looks intentional. If you had the right ligature on there. So now the visor works great. It'll flick up, hold itself down wherever you want it. You don't have to go to the dealer and spend over $100 for a new visor. Ligature, so that when this visor was down through the front window, it would say something, and then the other visor would say something too. Actually, it was a great product idea. Brand your truck only through your visors. When you're wherever you want to be, put your visors down, advertise, and then put your visors up when you don't want to advertise, when you're taking your kids to school. So I had this old tree safe thing left in my truck. These are actually cool shirts, but this one's pretty worn out and dirty. I'm not too sure whose it was. So I just have it slipped over here. I might take that electrical tape off and use something a little lighter. Slide it on there. I could sew that, or just tuck it back in here. I'm gonna put that back in the truck, and I think we're good to go. I think that plastic's fixed. Electrical tape will hold it all together, and then that cloth over it won't make it look like a repair job. Last couple steps, screwing it in. Just about have it in now. Get us a T20 Torx driver. So there it is. It ain't the prettiest with the high vis sleeve. I just ended up getting it off of a shirt. Of an employee who left their shirt in my truck. I think I'll probably go to Target or something and get a gray t-shirt and cut the sleeve and put it on here. I mean, it does allow you to put more photos or whatever you want up there. Yeah, well, so hopefully you like that video. Hopefully it saved you over $100 at the dealer to get a new visor. I mean, getting a new visor is a good plan too. They're just so expensive, you feel like you're getting killed. This is Topsaw. If you like the video, hit like, hit subscribe if you want to see more. It's all things wood. from tree work to woodwork. I include the Dodge truck because this is what I work out of. I put out a new video Tuesdays and Fridays, and hit subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified for when the videos come out. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you next time.